How to play Snapchat games without friends. Log into your Snapchat account, go to the human icon here, and then go to search. Now, when you tap the search icon, you can start to tap or search for a game. Or I should say, I am going to tap this recent games here. The game is called High Score Games by Master. So all you have to do is to tap the game and then tap the circle icon here to get started. So see, I can play the Snapchat alone. Now you can just share the snap after by clicking next. So when you click next, and if you want to share this, you can share this to your own account or to someone's account. All you have to do is to tap the name here, or you can even share it to your spotlight or to your story. But this is how you play Snapchat games without friends. It's very easy. Autosave story snaps to memories, click enable, and that's it. Thank you for watching.